Hey guys, it's Shilpa here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my top 5 nude nail paints. So all these nail paints will suit each and every skin tone from fair, medium as well as dusky tan or darker skin. So all these nail paints are easily available as well as affordable on the same site. So make sure to check the description box. I will mention all the details of the nail paints as well as name and their prices with their respective links in the description box. So make sure to check that. So now before starting with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. So now without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So the very first shade is from Sally Hansen and it's in the shade 184 Thrillseeker. So I would describe this color as a pastel pink nude color and it's a statement nude color. So you must have seen a lot of people wearing these kind of shades on Instagram as well as YouTube. So I have tried a lot of other pastel colors, but all that colors have a lot of white in it. And this color is a perfect combination of pink as well as pastel tone. So it doesn't have a white tone to it. So it doesn't wash my hands out. So that's why I really like this color. And the next option which I have for you guys is this. This is Maybelline New York Color Show Nail Paint and it's in the shade Nude Skin 015. So talking about the color, this color is beautiful brown tone nude shade. So this color will also suit maximum skin tone from fair to medium or dusky. So about the formula of this nail paint has a very liquidy formula and it will stay on your nails for like 2 to 3 days and after that it will start chipping from top of your nails. So my next favorite color is from Faces Canada Splash Collection and it's in the shade Plum 207. It's beautiful dark brown chocolatey nude color. I don't know why they have kept the name Plum. It's not at all a plum shade. So the formula of this nail paint is also very liquidy. You must have to go 2 to 3 times to get a opaque coverage from this nail paint. So it's my second bottle of this nail paint and it's a beautiful color with a great formula. So I would highly recommend this color. So the next nail paint which I have in my collection is from Nykaa and it's in the shade Blackcurrant Gelato in number 72. So it's a beautiful mauve shade and this color is my absolute favorite. I would highly recommend to buy this color and its formula is also very amazing. It's not too liquidy or not too thick. I think it's the perfect formula and also this color complements my skin tone very well. And this is the first ever nude color which I have ever purchased and I have been using this color from past 1 year. One thing which I love about Nykaa nail paints is the applicator. The applicator is not big or small. It's the perfect size to apply nail paint easily. And the last nail paint is also from Nykaa and it's in the shade Dusky Azad. So it's a beautiful pink shade and it has a perfect combination of pink with a little mauve tone to it. So I would describe this color as a dusty rose pink shade. So as I said earlier about Nykaa nail paints that their nail paints formula is great and also the applicator is great, and if you are someone who haven't tried their nail colors, I would highly recommend to try it out. They have a huge crazy collection. So I have kept this shade for last because this one is the darkest of nude. So guys, that's it. These are my top 5 nude nail paints. I hope you liked the video. These all are easily available as well as affordable on the same site. So all the nail paints are under rupees 200 except the Sally Hansen one, but you can totally grab that one on the sale times as Diwali sale is going on Nykaa, so you can totally grab that one. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and now you know what you have to do. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video and also comment down below whether you liked it or not. And I'll try to do more of such top 5s. Top 5 red lipsticks or nude lipsticks. Till then, bye guys. See you next time.